How to see your Snapchat history, every snap that you ever sent and received on Snapchat. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In this guys video, I will show you the way on how you can actually find your Snapchat history or every snap that you ever sent and received. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, let's say that you have received lots of snaps and you have actually sent lots of snaps over time. You want to download all those data. Well, it is really possible. I will just show you two ways on how you can do that. The very first thing is, let's say you want to view all the snaps which you have ever sent on Snapchat. Well, that is also simple. Once you open up Snapchat, just tap on this little photos icon which you see on the bottom left corner of the screen, and you can make sure that you're under the snaps page, and over here you will see all the snaps which you have ever sent on Snapchat. So if you've saved them to your memories, as you can see from December 2020, and today is 2022 of October, so you can see it's basically October 2022, but this was taken in December 2020, so you can see how old these snaps really is. And you can see 2021, you can see August, September 2021. These are basically some of the old snaps which you've ever taken, and it is simply saved on the memories section of my Snapchat. However, at the other side, let's say you want to download all the chat history and so on, there's also another way to do that. Just come back to your profile page and then tap on the Bitmoji icon over here, and then go to the settings or the gear icon on the top right corner. As soon as you've done that, over here you have to scroll down to the bottom and you'll find this button which says My Data. So all you have to do is tap on the My Data button, and as soon as you tap on the My Data button, you'll see this kind of interface. But first of all, you have to simply confirm by logging into your account. So let me go ahead and do that. So once you log into your Snapchat account, you'll see this kind of interface, and as you can see, My Data. And you'll see all the data available in app that you might want to download and the data available for download. So you can see login history, account information, you can see your snap history, received snap history and sent snap history, and you can see chat history, received chat history and sent chat history, our story and spotlight, our shop history, and our Snapchat support history, and any other information which is available for download. But you have to keep in mind that if you're not being able to view the snaps which you can actually see even after you actually download the data, you have to understand that Snapchat was developed in order to not to save any data. So that is why messages get disappeared right after you send them and they're viewed. That is why you can only view snaps up to once or twice, and that is why Snapchat notifies when there is actually a screenshot. You have to understand that Snapchat was actually developed in order to not record any data. So if you're talking about you want to download all the data you ever sent and received on Snapchat, it is not fully possible. Of course, you can see the time frame and you can actually load the history of what you sent and what you did not send. You can see the histories and so on, but you have to understand that Snapchat was developed in order to actually not download or save any types of data. But still, if you want any of the data that are available for download, you can simply follow the steps which are described in this video, and you can see some of the data which are available for download. So I just basically showed you two things. The first one is that you can actually view all the snaps which you have sent on Snapchat if you've saved them to your memories. The other is that you can see all of the histories which you have ever saved them. All you have to do is you have to request a download of your data on your email address. So go ahead and enter your email address again on this confirmation tab, and then just tap on the submit request button. As soon as you've done that, hopefully within a couple of hours you'll be able to view all your Snapchat history and you'll be able to download them to your device. And this is how you can view your Snapchat history. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.